Hi everyone, it's So Giraffe here. So today, Time Warp Tuesday, I'm going to show off one of my babies that I made that I'm really proud of. So this is my Snow Leopard Plush. It is a pattern by Choly Knight. I absolutely love this fabric. So I actually got this fabric a long time ago. It was on clearance at Fabric Town, USA. If you're in the Ventura County region, I'd highly recommend them. So I was able to get it, and I kept saving the fabric until I could use it for the right project. So this is my Snow Leopard. I used some white fluffy material for her tummy and that. However, her legs, for whatever reason, just kind of curl off to the side. So no matter what, she's always kind of got her feet off to that side, but I just think like, oh, she's like curling up like this. Not entirely sure, but you know what? She's unique, and she is my baby that I made for myself. And working with fur fabric's really hard, but I'm happy for the experience, and I've gotten a lot better since then. So this one was made probably about a year ago now. So absolutely love her, but still. Anywho, that is it for Time Warp Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.